You know that feeling. You uninstall a program on Windows, hoping for a fresh start, only to reinstall it later and find it remembers all your old settings? It's like it never truly left. If you've ever wished for a truly clean slate after uninstalling an app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to completely banish those stubborn leftover files. Okay, let's dive in. Your first stop should be your C drive. Open it up, and then navigate to the Program Files, x86 folder. Take a good look for any folders named after the app you just uninstalled. If you find one, go ahead and delete it. Don't stop there. Repeat the same process in the regular Program Files folder. Some applications like to scatter their files, so you might find remnants in both locations. And finally, swing by your Users folder. Click on your username, and again, keep an eye out for a folder bearing the name of the uninstalled app. If it's there, delete it. Next up, a quick shortcut. In the File Explorer's search bar, type in app data, and yes, make sure you include those % on both sides. Press Enter, and this handy trick will whisk you directly to the roaming folder, which is a common spot where many applications stash their settings and user data. Once you're there, look for a folder with the name of the app you uninstalled. If you spot it, go ahead and delete it. For the final step, let's clear out those temporary files. Just press Windows+R. On your keyboard, type clean mgr into the box that pops up and hit Enter. This will open the super handy disk cleanup tool. Once it's open, select your C drive. After it scans for a bit, you'll see a list of file types. Make sure to check the box for temporary files, and feel free to check anything else you're comfortable clearing out to free up space. Then, just click OK to delete them. By following all these steps, you've now thoroughly removed any leftover bits and pieces from that uninstalled app. So, next time you reinstall it, you'll get that genuinely fresh start you were looking for.